Lesson 4.5 System Tasks. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum. Click into this lesson and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads and the docs on the right become our guide. You will point readmemb at tbmemh in txt to load a memory model. Load binary lines, copy into the duty, load a few addresses, pass. Readmemb loads binary digits, one 8-bit line per word, not hex. Readmemh is the hex twin. Path is relative to the simulation working directory. Here tbmemh init.txt. This is a test bench skill. Seed memory without typing every word by hand. tb loads mmhotel from file, copies into doutmemh, then reads back. Your TODO is the readmemb file path string. Type tb/mem init.txt inside the quotes, then Ctrl+S. Those edits are in. Next we run simulation and verify the behavior in the log. Open simulation and press run. The log prints address, dout, and model in binary, then pass. In Surfer, right-click the TB score and add the signals. Surfer shows address and dout after the readmemb load. Review: DUT is a simple sync-write RAM. The lesson lives in the TB. Appendix: readmemb path. Then a copy loop into your doutmemh. That is system tasks. See you in the next lesson.